Hey folks, it's Abel. We're looking at some ancient petroglyphs here. These ones are definitely humanoid, but you also see a lot of different motifs. Like you see a curve like that with many dots in a bunch of different areas. Sometimes it's kind of on human figures, sometimes it's not. This one looks a little Sasquatchy. You notice that a lot of the figures you see also have horns or some sort of head ornaments. Now, I have no idea what any of this means. No one really does anymore. But I'm just pointing it out because it's kind of interesting. Let's check it out. This is one of the motifs I'm talking about right here.
Same thing right there.
Yeah, and if we bring you over here, you can see that it's higher on the cliff. And we just saw a couple of nests of giant birds nearby, so watch out for giant bird turds. And over this way, we've got the gigantic lizards, or lizard-like things crawling up the cliff. Really cool. But as always, folks, check out abeljames.com for more.